Hey everyone, I want to take a quick second and talk about professional headshots or your profile picture. How often do you search a person's name in Google? Have you ever done it? Probably so. You know, we have a lot of clients out there that we've never met before, that we have them on automated drip campaigns or whatever, and they see our name all the time. Many of those people, some of the biggest, in our analytics that we do at Highgarden, we can see how many times our agents' names are actually searched in Google, and it's a lot. So make sure you search your own name in Google and review all the different profiles that show up. Make sure that you're not showing up as a stick figure, on your MyBoard account or your local board profile is a big one that usually shows up pretty high in Google. LinkedIn is another one, Realtor.com, Zillow, Trulia, obviously your Facebook account, but make sure you have a good picture in there. People want to know, who you're dealing with. Along with the picture, you might want to just take a few extra minutes and update your profile, make sure it's looking good. But just a quick tip, quick reminder, I know I need to do some of mine, and I'm making a goal today to do it. So hope everyone has a great day.